Okay, maybe you're looking in the mirror and thinking, summer was a little rough on my skin. I have a few little brown spots. I got a few more wrinkles. Dr. Anthony Youn from Beaumont Hospital here this morning to help us bring back our skin to the best of our abilities. You're always very realistic about how much we can do with lotions and creams, right?
Exactly. And, you know, the summer, it does cause us to develop problems with our skin because of all the sunblock, because of the sun causing us to squint our eyes.
Yeah.
So we've got a number of options here to treat 3 of the major summer problems: sunspots,
yes,
acne, especially acne of the body,
yes,
and wrinkles, specifically crow's feet.
Let's talk. I'm anxious to talk about sunspots because I have a couple. I have a really dark one on my face, and I didn't know, I don't know how to get rid of it.
So
how to get rid of them, I should say.
So sunspots are caused by UV radiation affecting the melanin of our skin. And so freckles are basically sunspots.
Right.
Other names are age spots, liver spots. Even though
and
they
it's
have nothing to do with the liver.
It's the same spots that we get up here, too,
exactly.
right?
And they don't typically go away unless you actively get rid of them.
All right, so what you got?
So here are a couple options, okay? You can do lasers and stuff, but these are those non-laser treatments. Now, this is actually the YouthCode, and this is something you can buy just over the counter at a drugstore. It costs about $25. It's a cream that you put on morning and evening, and it has niacinamide, which is a very mild skin lightener. Within 4 weeks, you should start noticing some of those dark spots starting to fade.
So it's not going to be an overnight fix, and it's not going to be super dramatic, but it'll help.
Creams take time.
Okay.
They take a couple of months to really see it.
All right.
Laser treatments, no.
So laser, let me just get back to the laser treatment, which I know we're not talking about that today, but laser treatment, that does remove the brown spots?
Photofacials are ways to actually hit your skin with the laser, and you'll actually see those spots turn darker and then slough off after a few days.
Okay. And
now,
what's this one
now
here?
This is called Brightenex. It's from ZO Medical. This is basically the strongest skin lightener, the strongest reducer of those dark spots, short of getting a prescription.
Okay.
This you can only do a couple of times a week, and you have to buy this at a doctor's office. So this is not something you can buy at a drugstore.
So $20, this is a little more?
This is $115, so it's definitely going to be more expensive.
All right, but less than a laser.
Yes.
So let's talk about acne. So,
you know, the summer, we're applying all this stuff on our skin. We go camping, we don't wash ourselves, our pores get clogged, and we develop acne, specifically even acne of the body. So it's something very inexpensive, okay? It's the Body Clear Body Wash by Neutrogena, $6.50, and it has salicylic acid. Salicylic acid will actually penetrate the pores, clean those pores out. So it actually gets in where the oil is to clean them out. So something you can use on your back, on the rest of your body to help clear that up.
All right.
But if you want something a little more aggressive, this is the splurge. This is called the TandaZap, and the TandaZap basically is a blue light device. I'm going to turn it on here, and it actually, blue light, you put that on a new eruption, like a new pimple, and it will actually kill the bacteria that causes the acne.
And it works?
And it works. You have to try to attack the acne really when it's starting up, and within 24 to 48 hours, you'll notice that spot get smaller and get better. All
right. This is interesting. Tell us how this works.
Okay, so crow's feet caused by squinting our eyes from the sun.
Yes.
This is called the Athena 7 Minute Lift. It's a 3-step process. You buy it online. It's about $70. And you basically take this little brush, you dip it into the Athena, and you put it on your skin. And then you make no expressions for 7 minutes. You act like a mannequin for 7 minutes.
All right.
It will settle into place, and those wrinkles will smooth out for most of the day.
It's like Elmer's glue.
Yes, and it's great before an event.
So you have to be very, you can't make any expression. Okay, and what's this one here?
This is one of my new favorites. This is a Swiss line called Teoxane Cosmeceuticals, and this basically is their RHA serum. It has resilient hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid is the same thing that's a moisturizer of our skin, but also we inject it into wrinkles of our face.
Oh, right,
Restylane and Juvederm. They put this actually into a cream, and if you put it on your skin, and feel free, it's just a serum, it will powerfully moisturize your skin.
Feels like an egg white.
And literally within, I mean, immediately you'll see that the skin is much nicer afterwards.
Yeah, it feels good.
And if you give it a good couple of weeks, you'll notice the wrinkles disappear, the skin is moisturized, it's healthier, it looks amazing. This is one of my favorite ones.
How much is it?
It's not cheap. It's $190. So you definitely pay for quality on this one.
It does feel nice, though.
So it's the Teoxane RHA Serum.
All right.
Definitely worth trying.
All right. Dr. Youn, thank you.
Thank you.
Very good.
Ways to make our skin look better.
Yes, I think I need them all. I need to start right now. Up next, we're heading into the kitchen, and we're making